Stop, Lynn! Don't you hate when your back hurts? Well, I'm going to show you 5 different yoga poses that you can do that will help ease all and any back pain. When I'm not hosting and producing deep dives, I'm likely teaching yoga. So I'm really excited to show you guys some of my favorite moves. And no matter your level, I promise we all can move together and we all can feel better together. So go put something comfy on and meet me on the mat.
Cat-cow. Start on your hands and knees. Your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Make sure your fingertips are facing forward. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, then lift your chest up towards the sky. As you exhale, round your spine towards the sky and draw your belly in. Your gaze is in between your hands. Child's pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Spread your knees wide apart. Have your big toes gently touch. Sit back on your heels. Lengthen your spine as you walk your hands forward. You can rest your forehead on the ground. Keep your arms long and extended. Locust pose. Lie on your belly with your hands near you. Extend your legs straight behind you. As you inhale, reach your arms back towards your feet with your palms face down. An advanced option, interlace your hands behind you. Then use your inner thighs to lift your legs up towards the sky. Reclined spinal twist. Lie on your back, bring your right knee to your chest, extend your arms out into a T shape with your palms facing up. Then drop your right knee across your body over to the left and bring your gaze over to the right. Triangle pose. Step your feet wide apart. Make sure your heels are aligned. Your left foot faces forward. Then raise your arms to shoulder height, actively reaching from fingertip to fingertip. Reach your left hand out in front of you, and when you can't reach anymore, fold with your hip. You can rest your hand on your shin, ankle, or an advanced option on the floor. Make sure to do the other side too.
Alrighty, my friends, I hope your back is feeling a little better. Let us know which of these exercises you liked the most in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video for more. Namaste, my friends.